All right, so for this exercise in here, I do have all the microservices up and running, including the Eureka server. And you can see that we have customer, fraud, as well as notification. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to send a request using Postman. So this is what you've seen so far. So Jamila Ahmed. So I'm going to send this request to customer, and there we go. So you can see that it was a 200 status code. Now, what this means is that the request did flow through. So in here, just ignore the load balancer, which we don't have at the moment, but the request went to customer, to fraud, and then customer did send a notification to our notification microservice. And currently we're just storing the request into the database. We haven't implemented Twilio nor Firebase, and also we don't have the message queue in here, but this we'll tackle later. But all I want to show you is that we are communicating between all of these microservices in here with their respected databases. Now, if I open up pgadmin, and in here, let me just refresh all databases, and then pretty much just open up notification, and then in here, schemas, and find the table. So here I've got a table called notification, right click on it, and then view data, all rows, and check this out. So here we have, so the notification ID is 1, the message is hi Jamila, welcome to Amigos Code. The sender is Amigos Code. It was sent at this timestamp, and then in here have a look to customer email. So this was jahmed@gmail.com, and then to customer ID was 1. So this is working beautifully. And obviously the data has been persisted in all of the different databases, including fraud as well as customer. So let me jump into IntelliJ quickly. And in here, what I've done is I do have this new client right here, and this is the OpenFake client, which in here, so if I show you, basically has a post mapping to API v1 notification. It accepts the request in here, and this guy will map into the implementation of the controller in here, which I'm logging, and then this has a send message, and then this forwards the request to the notification service .send method. It builds the notification using the builder, and then it persists it using the repository in here. And the model is as follows. So we have the entity, builder, all args, all the shenanigans, the ID, the sequence, and then these are the properties: notification ID, custom ID, email, sender, message, and sent at. So this is what you've seen. And inside of the customer service in here, so this is where things actually happen. So in here, if I put this full screen, so there's a format in here. So basically to do, this was basically send a notification, and this is where we send the notification. Now I do have a to do in here, which is make a sync, i.e. add it to a queue, which we're going to handle later. And to be honest, this is it. And obviously, so within the pom.xml, I do have my new module, so on and so forth. Now I'm going to give you access to this commit so you can see exactly all the changes that I've made in case you haven't managed to do so. If you have any questions, please do let me know. Otherwise, catch me on the next one.